Everyday Japanese Conversations Practice Dialogues Part 3 Directions and Transportation Finding a location. Asking for directions. A. Sumimasen. Eki wa doko desu ka? Excuse me, where's the station? B. Achira ni masugu itte kudasai. Please go straight in that direction. Using public transportation. A. Kono densha wa Shinjuku ni ikimasu ka? Does this train go to Shinjuku? B. Hai, ikimasu. Yes, it does. Taking a taxi. Giving directions to a taxi driver. A. Sumimasen. Shibuya made onegai shimasu. Excuse me, to Shibuya, please. B. Hai, wakarimashita. Okay, understood. Thank you everyone for watching. If you liked it, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you again in the next video. Mata ne!